Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of sitting down with Andy Macintosh. Andy's running for deputy mayor in the town of Orangeville. Thanks for being here today, Andy.
No problem, Bradley. It's a pleasure.
So today I want to give you an opportunity to introduce yourself to the people who don't already know you, voters, and maybe tell us a little bit why you're running and a little bit of your backstory.
Okay, well, I've lived in town for 52 years. It's a long time. I've worked for the town for the last 30 years, 16 years as fire chief. I retired 2 years ago. Basically, I'd done my 30 years with the fire department, and I kind of decided I'd like to get into politics. I was going to council meetings regularly. Obviously, for the 30 years that I worked for the town, I attended council meetings. So I just thought, you know, it's time. I'd like to step up, and I'd like to do some good for the town. And let's be frank, I wasn't happy with what I was seeing with this council. And I thought, you know, I think I can do a better job than what's being done right now. My other stuff, I've been married for 38 years to my wife. I have a granddaughter recently. Other than that, there's not a lot to tell.
Yeah, well, that sounds like enough as it is.
Keeps me busy.
Absolutely. And you know what? I really do appreciate you stepping up, and certainly we look forward to seeing what else you have to say and how else we can improve our town.
Pleasure.
Thanks again. If you'd like to see more of what Andy has to say, please do take a look at the links below, and thanks for watching.